Hello and welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to protect a PDF document to password it for access against anybody. You can password your PDF document, so instead of someone to just click and open a document, it will be passworded. So to create a passworded document or to password your PDF document, all you need is a simple and free platform like ilovePDF, which is what we are going to be using for today. So to access ilovePDF, all you need is to come anywhere within your browser and just type in ilovePDF.com and then hit on enter. And our target is to protect a document. So let's come over here, click on protect a document, and then you can select the file that you want to protect. You can hit on enter, and then let's go to where I have some of those. So let's say we take this file and then click on OK. Now this is where you'll be prompted to add the password. Okay, so let's say we add something simple, 1 2 3 4 5 again. All right, so let's see 1 2 3 4 5 again to confirm this. And once you're done, this is the document that you've added. You can add more documents if you're interested, again from your system and from these drives. If you are done with this, you can click to see what you have passworded, the password you have, and if it's okay, you can come down here and say protect this document, and the file have been protected, so it's been passworded. So when you start download it instantly. Now you can see over here it's been downloaded. So let me show you an example of how the protection looks like. So if you try to double click to open this PDF document, it's not going to open directly. It will require you to input a password. So will anyone that have access to this document, you'll be prompted to enter a password. So in this case, our password, and if you try to enter any password that is wrong, it's going to pop up that you cannot open invalid password, enter the password login, that password again. So let's try the password. Now the correct one is 1 2 3 4 5, and once you click on open, you can see we've just accessed our PDF document. So anyone who tries to access the document will require him to have the password. So this concludes this tutorial about how to protect or password a PDF document using ilovePDF. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.